Hello and welcome. This video will cover basic networking concepts that will provide the necessary foundation for learning about Amazon VPC. A computer network is two or more machines that are connected together in order to communicate. A network can be logically partitioned into subnets. Networking requires a networking device such as a router or a switch. This connects all the machines together and enables communication between them. Each machine in a network has a unique Internet Protocol address assigned to it. An IP address, as it is known, is a unique number assigned to a machine in order to identify it uniquely. An IP address is similar to a phone number. It has to be unique. The IP number is expressed as a 4-decimal number separated by dots. Machines convert that decimal number to binary format in order to use it. For the IP address 192.0.2.0, each of the 4 dot-separated numbers of the address represents a maximum of 8 bits. This means that each of the 4 numbers can be anything from 0 to 255. The combined total of the 4 numbers for an IP address is 32 bits in binary format. A 32-bit IP address is called an IPv4 address. IPv6 address also exists and use 128 bits. IPv6 addresses can accommodate more user devices and were invented to compensate for the fact that IPv4 addresses are in short supply. An IPv6 address is composed of 8 groups of 4 letters and numbers that are separated by colons. Each of the 8 colon-separated groups of the IPv6 address represents 16 bits. That means each of the 8 groups can be anything from 0 to FFFF. The combined total of the 8 groups for an IPv6 address is 128 bits in binary format. A common method to describe networks and groups of IP addresses is classless interdomain routing, or CIDR. A CIDR address is expressed as an IP address, which is the first address of the network. It's followed then by a slash character. The number after the slash character tells you how many bits of the routing prefix must be steady and allocated for the network identifier. The bits that are not fixed are allowed to change. CIDR is a way to express a group of IP addresses that are consecutive to each other. In this example, the CIDR address is 192.0.2.0/24. The last number 24 tells you that the first 24 bits must be fixed. The last 8 bits are flexible, which means that 256 IP addresses are available for the network. They go in range from 192.0.2.0 all the way to 192.0.2.255. So basically, the 4th decimal digit is allowed to change from 0 to 255. The OSI model is a conceptual model that is used to explain data as it travels over a network. It consists of 7 layers and shows the common protocols and addresses that are used to send data at each layer. For example, hubs and switches work at layer 2, the data link layer. Routers work at layer 3, the network layer. The OSI model can be used to understand how communication takes place in the cloud and in basic networking. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.